Hello again, fellow podcaster, and welcome back to Pod Theory. I'm your host, Jason Cercone, and today it's another installment of Pod Theory Condensed. What is a credibility catalyst? You and I both know there is a lot of bullshit out there today. Scams and bots and people who have no idea how to deliver value. In fact, I guarantee you, before you finish listening to this sentence, someone on LinkedIn is soliciting a new connection to use their services in some way, shape, or form. Just out of the blue. No icebreakers, no friendly conversation, not even an ounce of research to see if their product or service would make sense for that person. Just spraying and praying. You'd think with all of the information out there that tells people to be genuine in their networking and how just spewing their sales pitch at anyone within earshot is pretty ineffective would make people think twice about how they proceed. But here we are. Some people only hear what they want to hear. Some of them finally come to terms with the fact that spraying and praying doesn't work. Others just carry on and play the law of averages. If you're listening to Pod Theory today or have checked out any of the previous 107 episodes, you know it's all about leading with value. And if you're like me, you like to do business with people and brands you've built a relationship with. You want to know whoever you're dealing with is a solid resource who will back up their words with consistent action. In other words, you want to ensure you're working with someone with credibility. And in that process of getting to know someone you want to build a relationship with, it's helpful when that person has what I've dubbed a credibility catalyst. A credibility catalyst is something you can refer to that showcases the reliability of an individual or brand. It gives you clarity on what life will be like if you open the door and bring them into your world. It allows you to experience their level of knowledge on their specialty and helps you make a well-informed decision on whether it's right to make them part of your initiatives. What's my credibility catalyst? You're listening to it. Pod Theory is my platform to share podcasting secrets, strategies, tips, and commentary every day, and through that, I can provide more value to the podcasting space. If the lessons found within this podcast sing to you and prove my credibility in this space, I'm hoping that one day we get to have a conversation, and should things make sense from there, we work collectively to accomplish great things. What's your credibility catalyst? If you don't have one, start working on one today. And, spoiler alert, a podcast is the perfect medium to start with. And that's it for today's installment of Pod Theory Condensed. Good talk. I'll see you back here tomorrow. This has been Jason Cercone on Pod Theory.